Alright, so first look of the EPL adjustable launch control. So with the engine off and accessory on, you pull the cruise control stalk towards you and click up and down to adjust the RPM. To set it to what you want, we'll try 2600. Click the set button. You pull it in again to verify. You're good to go. Go ahead and start the car. And cruise control is set. And we'll go give it a try. So this is the ignition cut launch control. So this time we'll up it to 2800. Set, verify, cycle the ignition, and we'll give this one a shot. The last one felt really good. Again, this is just low boost, low RPM launch. It's pretty cold, so grip is kind of an issue right now, but we'll give it another shot on a little bit higher of an RPM. It felt really good though, so it stops right at 2700. Well, last one was 2600, so it stops right at 2600, starts cutting ignition rapidly, and I didn't get a chance to look at boost. I can review it in the video, but we'll see what my P3 says, if it keeps building boost or if it just stops right there. But yeah, that felt really good. Hopefully this improves, keeps everything consistent now. So you're not guessing, letting off on the upswing, building more boost each time. You can have everything kind of set in stone now. So we'll give this one another try. So this time we're at 2900 RPM. This is usually where I like to leave at. We're gonna try and hold it and see how much boost we could build. I didn't really pay attention to it last time. I just wanted to see if it would leave like it has been. So we will sit on it for a second and let it build a little bit of boost. That's so nice. So it will just keep building. I left around there, I think it was like 11 PSI. You could see the P3 in the bottom corner, but that's buttery smooth. Oh man, this is a game changer, let me tell you. I can't tell you how many times I've struggled and butchered launches just because trying to time the upswing is so hard to get it perfect every single time. Now you get to sit there and dial in every single RPM that you want. Luckily I got the P3 to see what boost pressure I want to leave on, and then that's all you got to do is pretty much one and done. Set it and forget it. That's super nice. Alright, so I short shifted that one. We had quite a bit of wheel spin there. I took it up to I think 12. I'll have to review the footage, but that was a little bit too much. I didn't drop tire pressure or anything. This is my daily tire pressure right now, but it's like 30 degrees, 36 degrees out right now. It's very cold for summer tires, but man, this feels awesome. Let me tell you, this is this feels awesome. I cannot wait until it gets warm again and I can try this at the track and, you know, really step up the times. It just makes everything so much more consistent. You take the guessing out of it, leave on the exact RPM you want. Very well done. Very well done. Okay, so one more feature that's built into this file is rolling anti-lag. So what you're gonna do is you got to have the car above 4,000 RPM. It's also activated in the cruise control stalk, so you're going to pull it towards you twice. You'll see the check engine light start to flash. That's how you know it's enabled. And then the next time you pull the cruise control stalk towards you, it's going to engage anti-lag. So you'll hold it in, you'll floor it, and it'll start to build boost and stall the motor. Stall the motor, but not load the motor. And basically once, you know, I think right now I've only been going to 5 PSI or so because this is still a low boost file that we're just testing. I'm sure there's going to be a limit that you could take it to because, you know, you stay in it for too long at 20 PSI or something ridiculous, you're going to break some shit. So got to be careful with it, but I'm sure there will be limits and safeties built into place before it goes into production. This is just the pre-production beta version. So I'll flip around here and then we'll give you a quick test hit. So 4,000, you got to click it forward to reset it. That's a safety feature. So 1, 2, hold it, 5 pounds, go. Really fun feature. It pulls really good, even this being, like I said, pretty low boost and, you know, just 5 pounds building. It's pretty surprising how much more noticeable it is when taking off and not having to sit there and wait for the turbo to spool up. So pretty cool. It should be coming soon. I know it's in beta right now, but it should be finalized here in the next couple weeks or so, if I had to guess. So that's it for this one, and I'll catch you guys later.